Hi friends, this is Padma Pavani. My channel name is B.Ed 4th Semester Easy Exams. My topic is on contemporary education in India. Previously, you would have seen my topics which we have discussed. Those are Vedic schools, Jainism practices, and yesterday we have learnt about Buddhist practices. Today we are going to learn medieval period of education. Okay friends, let us discuss. The topic name is socio-political context of education during medieval period. According to Maulana Abul Kalam Azad words, educators must build a spirit of inquiry, creativity and a moral leadership among students. And he must be a role model for the students. There are three types of educational institutions. First one is Pathshalas, stalls or colleges, private schools. So in Pathshalas, those can be also called Pathshalas or elementary schools. In elementary schools, education can be, the students go for education to towns or villages till 5 years, and they learn reading, writing and arithmetic. And about stalls or colleges, here they taught Sanskrit language and literature. Okay, and they used to teach the students in verandas or under trees. Here parents gave presents to teachers, which is a noble duty. Next, already you know about the private schools, how they are running at present. Next, here the aim of education, they mainly aim for the building of the character and the development of personality of a student, and preservation of culture, performance of religious duties, and they have to build up the discipline among the students. Self-dependence, that means they should not depend on others. They taught orally, no books are required. Orally they used to teach to the students. Punishment is given, but how the punishment, it would be, rewriting of any topic. Okay, now let us discuss about the method of teaching. There are different stages in this method of teaching. First stage is writing of letters, that is on sand. Next, second stage is writing on the leaves, where the students can erase easily also on it. Next, third stage is to pronounce and to write the sentences. They used to learn in different stages. And the fourth stage is they use paper for writing. These are all the methods of teaching the teacher used for the students. And the curriculum involved in this medieval period is, they taught different subjects. Those subjects are Kavya, Vyakarana, Jyotisha, Chanda, philosophy, medicine, history, geography, Puranas and the Vedas. And the arithmetic is very compulsory. Even the literature, moral values, religious instructions, salutation, and they taught in Sanskrit and mythology. These are about the medieval period education. I hope you understand about this topic. Tomorrow we will discuss about maktab and madrasas. Thank you.